Mentakasngi ke Pratrik Naiwing, Raja Rusan, Menteri Rangba Gajala, Ulapli, Yakopis Tikam, Jonga Meklia Public Service Commission, Kabadan Hatura, dan Pej Exinokam, Pajba, Kibade Narilum Garo, Yakaba, Pajba, Kila Anut, Las Lemba Mentah. Haganekasngi, Menteri Rangba Ulaong, Bau kwah Banyi, Ba ke Office, Jonga Meklia Public Service Commission, Kandonru Jowai. Nagamta Pajba, ke Jaintia Hills, Nagamta, ban pensuk ik samla nagate kathan bakin noman seslong ban penlut dagi bun kenta ulong ba menta ucerman jongga Meklia Public Service Commission udene Jaintia Hills un pej ban le yak ba dan kam hagane asngi menteri ramba jalal ong ba kane ka office kabadan hotura kan yarab ki paj ba khamtam ik samla nagar hill ban kim don kam shu ban le Sheshilong nam ta ban tho ek examen joki hanrei nang ne shakmat baro ki exam bat baro ki interview kin long no hak take office nagam tai paj ba garhil long ba ladadon tang arnalai ki kam ki balai ki man haban long interview ek hakum kini khep ki omban se haban long hanong ba shlong
this project and managed to get the land so that we were able to today open this office here. I was expecting to see him here today, but I guess there was some communication gap. But I'm sure that we'll be able to send our greetings and our appreciation to him through his family members who are present here. Friends, today is a very, very significant day for the state as a whole, and especially to the people of Garo Hills, and more importantly, to the people, to the young people of this region of our state. With the opening of this office, will change, I should say, the course and the future of many, many youngsters in our state, especially in the region of Garo Hills. It would be unfair for me to try and explain the difficulties that they have faced, because I did not go through that phase. But we can well imagine that the youth, when they had to give exams for MPSC, sometimes they would travel 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours all night. They would reach Shillong without any rest. In the morning time, they would go straight to the examination hall, give the exams. The major interviews, our students and our youngsters will not have to travel far. Right here, exams as well as the interviews will be held right here in Tura. There could be some interviews where there are only 2 posts or 3 posts, where logically it becomes difficult for MPSC to host multiple venues for limited number of posts. Those cases being an exception, majority of the exams and majority of the interviews will be held, as I said, right here in this campus and this office in Tura for the Garo Hills region. Our next step is to now further expand this process to make this facility available to our youth from Jaintia Hills. And I hope our chairman, being from Jaintia Hills himself, will take this initiative to ensure that Jaintia Hills also must get this infrastructure so that children can have their exams right there. Sometimes people used to ask me, so Jowai is only 1 hour away from Shillong. Do we really need to have an office there? So I tell people, Jaintia Hills is not just Jowai. Jaintia Hills is also Ratachera. So for a person to reach from Ratachera to Jowai itself is 4 hours. Then from Jowai to Shillong is 1 hour. It's a very, very long distance, and that's still the main highway. There are many interior locations where the youth will take hours and hours to reach Shillong. And therefore it is our endeavor, whether it is MPSC or whether it is any government service, we want to ensure that we are able to make the services accessible to the citizens and to the youth and the people of our state.